Okay, well, hello people. Let me introduce myself. My name is Boyang Absetio. I'm from Political Science Semarang State University. So today, I wanna tell you about my result or experience that I have learned after 6 weeks with some strategies to improve my English skill at home. So my first strategies I used to improve my English skill is reading of philosophy and politic books in English, and also I listening a documentary and report in English because the best way to improve your skill, improve your English skill, like listening, like reading, like improve your pronunciation, improve your accent, and got on a lot of knowledge is reading a book, is reading an article, is watching a news like CNN and BBC. So I use this strategy every day in 6 weeks and repeat. After I have a lot of knowledge, I try to practice speaking in English. I practice my pronunciation and many more. After my pronunciation I think is good, I try to write a sentence about my opinion and poem too. So after that I try to apply my speaking skill and writing skill to speak, to speech, to read a lot about my poem, about my opinion in front of public place, and in some event that held in public space, held in Gubernuran in Kamisan Semarang, and I have read my poem in one event that held in Kangputu, Gunung Pati. So I make all these strategies as a daily habit, so I will always learning and improve my English skill every day because I know how important it is. I know how important it is in my life now, future, and in my college life because I can access a lot of knowledge, a lot of information with English skill. So I wanna try to represent my confusion about my generation. So happy listening. We grew up at the cost of giving away our childhood teenager dream. Every day we wake up as an adult, we kill some part of the childhood teenager part. Those colorful painting, those kids, those dolls, those robots or stuff or curiosity of the world are killed. So actually, we just need to, it is what it is in things that happens. It doesn't mean that we become passive, give up in life, because we realize some of our desire, the casing of material wealth or social status is can take our ability to feel alive in this life. It can be that we don't own our desire anymore, but our desire own us. School teach us how to make a living but not how to make a life, a meaningful, good life. I quote it from Manly P. Hall. So it is become our own responsibility to figure out how to make a life. We keep trying, working, struggling, but we should realize that our value as a human isn't fully based on that materialism stuff. Has to be kind, responsible, mindful, and other value that has not limit, but it make you exhaust if you try to increase it, because one kindness done can make another thousand kindness arise. It's okay to cast a wealth, but we should define what is wealth. It's happiness, healthiness, friendship, relationship, or anything. We can deny that a parameter might be useful to measure our wealth or our goals generally. But when we are to focus on parameter instead of our goal, it just become a useless parameter. It just become a useless parameter. So then what if we are not special? At least we can be valuable human by not creating disaster, by being fully aware of who we are, by being good people, by giving back to the community, by distributing our privilege, by being ourselves and having the passion to improve it without genociding our inner child. So good luck everyone, that's my opinion about my generation. So My testimony about these strategies is very very awesome and work. I get my confidence, knowledge, and also my English skill too. English skill to speak, to write, to listening, to reading in English, and I can do express my opinion about government, about relationship, and many more in front of public space. And Gubernaran tuh is uh, that event in Kamisan that held in Gubernuran, and that is very 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 awesome, very very one moment that changed my life. And many more that I've got with these strategies, like I can access many information, I can access many knowledge because I understand, because I learn, because I can reading, I can listening English with these strategies. So I can access many more information that is very very useful for my life. So the difficulties about my process, it's come from myself, from on myself, that how about we can consistent, that's all. Inconsistent make our strategies, our process is stuck, that's all. Thank you everyone. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.